Look at the sheer density of change in the 1400s, a synchronized burst of geometry, perspective, and state building appearing almost out of thin air. This level of sudden complexity suggests a system initialization. The timeline we call history prior to this point behaves like a generated backstory created during a system boot-up. The Middle Ages reinforce this, showing centuries of stagnant technology and strangely repeating geopolitical narratives. This pattern indicates an algorithmic loop, using recycled character models and copy-pasted code to fill out the background lore before the primary simulation began. If the simulation only went live during the Renaissance, we have to account for the detailed, massive epics that characterize antiquity. The Mahabharata provides a unique test case. While we classify it as a myth, its internal structure mirrors a pre-rendered lore file that accidentally retained the developer's original artifacts. Approaching these texts as system logs allows us to hunt for leftover source code within the generated history. Auditing these ancient files reveals the mechanical reality hidden beneath the poetry. The Mahabharata contains exhaustive descriptions of Vimanas, flying palaces that could traverse the sky effortlessly. Applying an information system analysis reveals a pattern that traditional mythology and alien contact theories both overlook. These vehicles function as SysAdmin mounts. In any programmed environment, developers use specialized mounts to move through the map, operating entirely outside the physics engine to inspect the world. This chart cross-references Vimana capabilities with standard developer commands. Sudden directional shifts and ignoring gravity align with disabling engine inertia and collision detection. Becoming invisible to the naked eye records the use of an admin cloak rendering toggle.
These Vimanas represent system administrators moving through the matrix to inspect and clean bugged map sectors. This system-based model must also explain the Brahmastra, a weapon described as having enough power to reduce entire cities to ash. These reports of massive pillars of fire and smoke carry the visual signature of a localized data deletion within the simulation. This scroll outlines the formatting protocol. Localized civilization assets become corrupted, overtaxing system memory, forcing an administrator to trigger a format. The engine rapidly deletes physical models from the environment. Survivors recorded this erasure as being reduced to ash, leaving residual glitches. This ancient cataclysm demonstrates the simulation engine formatting a corrupted sector to ensure system stability. The texts describe a specific aftermath: hair loss, burned earth, and poisoned water. These symptoms represent the survivor's attempt to describe massive environmental rendering errors. Without a digital vocabulary, they interpreted the corruption of the code as organic poison. The Mahabharata survives as a fragment of a massive database cleaning process. It is a log file burned into the memory cache of human history, remaining as a fixed artifact of that original server wipe. Antiquity functions as a pre-rendered, hard-coded baseline, context generated to provide a foundation for our current simulation. This code remains active today. If our sector reaches a critical level of corruption, the admins may trigger the same reset protocols again. Keep hacking the code.